Hello, hello. Let me see. I have my music all good. I'm gonna put it a little bit down. All great. Balconies are great. but it's time for applications. Let me check also YouTube. Okay, everything is good. Yes, how are you now? I'm doing this very typical now game for Brush the Cat. Probably now I'm gonna expand it, maybe try to make it better. I want to implement a sound, and here it was implementation of the, actually I don't know why I'm on auto, I forgot to switch it, but I also want to implement top banner, advertisements, maybe settings when we launch the game to select type of a cat. Maybe I generated with AI this cat, and actually you can see that here I brush it. I need to stop. The logic of the game is broken still. Like I'm always losing. This is something that I need to fix. It's not good. But let's see if I'm gonna be able to do it. So, well, I should not lose now. Ah, no, wait, it was not. Okay, wait a second. So yeah, there are a lot of bugs. That's for sure. Oh, this is very typical. I saw it. That is now is like exploding. So I was like, I'm gonna do it also. Let me see. Oh, okay. Brush again. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let me see. Something is wrong. Well, it should be done with testing. I don't know the logic. It's vibe-coded logic, but you died, this cat. But we're gonna do. We're gonna do the audio right now. I need to. This is a tiger sound, so I'm gonna. No, wait. Should be able to trim it. No? Is it a tiger sound? Yes. Yeah, trim, perfect. So. Okay, it should be this. This is what I have, so you cannot hear it. This is what I have. So you cannot. Perfect. Trim. Gonna save it. Tiger. And that's all. Ready to proceed and to continue. Hello, hello, Michael, Creative AI Worlds. Oh, I'm screaming, shouting myself. Very, very nice to meet you. I'm struggling now to make a sound work, but oh, amazing. So I'm making sound now, and I'm making for this very popular now simple game the whole logic, which is not working properly. So I'm just testing it. So what I say that we start. Oh, it's very. How to do it? Okay, da 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 da. It should start. Oh, no, it's not. It's not good. Mhm. The cat is immediately getting the, how to even call it, animated cat image that leads to die screen, and I have no chance to even freeze now. The whole logic with the freezing is disappeared. No, we need to switch to auto because I used too much today. Sounds good, yeah, thank you so much. And it's gonna be like, I don't know if I place interstitial, it's gonna be also advertisements based, but I don't see any freezing now. He removed the flicker. Okay, cat is joining our stream, right? No, my cat is gonna join now, I guess. Quite crazy. So I should have 15 time, and interstitial should appear. Quite crazy. But where is the sound? There is no sound. Yeah. I'm waiting for interstitial. I'm just testing it. Oh, great. Interstitial is working. Perfect. So now it should work, and I'm probably gonna generate for my device the application just so I can hear the sound, because it's quite hard for me. I don't know why. So let's see. But the logic of the game is number one for me right now, so I want to have Wait, who is writing to me right now? Oh my god, okay, let's see. So I should note, I didn't have anything, right? So, okay. Not touching. Okay, so this is better, but now once cat is turning the head and we show freeze, you need to wait for 0.8. I don't know if it's a lot, but I just can test it by my hands. So we're gonna put 0.8 seconds. Maybe we would need to put logs to test it out. And check if user is still touching the screen or moving the comb. And if yes, we need, I will put maybe even 7. And or maybe 1 second, I don't know. And if yes, we need to show the died screen with the animation, and if user stops combing or touching the screen, we need to set a cat back to normal state and start again the freeze logic. And probably after first time is played, extend the waiting time for freeze from 2 to 8 seconds randomly. Let's try it out. It should work. So interstitial working. I'm also creating something similar like child apps, but it generates everything from just a description. It's take about 10 minutes, lasts for an hour of experience, doesn't waste tokens, and is high. So you do probably with Claude. Optimized, it took me a year and a half, and I had to teach myself all of this, but finally did it. I had to study workflows like yours and others to learn from every creative. You use Claude, I believe, and probably do you already uploaded stuff? Creative Angular and Perspective, practically my monthly expenses for this experience are 0. I also watch your videos. Someday I'll go to United States. I'm not in United States, I'm in Spain. I have a lot of questions, so I had to try to teach myself a lot of things, but I finally did it. So you vibe coding and you publish your application, and with the income of your published applications are covering all your expenses for Claude, for tokens. Am I right? And if you manage to build an application with 10 minutes, it's super good. Good, and I say good. I mean, I published quite a lot already applications, and I do believe that if you want to make it right, it's totally wrong that people say that you just need to be able to wipe code and stuff, because there are a whole bunch of stuff like support, all of the policies that you need to maintain, tracking stuff. Users gonna start writing, you need to reply to those users. Maintenance, there is a very, very big stuff around this, I think. So this is very important. And I don't think it's cool to prototype, but when you want to do the real stuff, I guess it's way harder. And especially I feel like the amount of applications that people are gonna build right now is super big, so the restrictions are way I had maybe you saw on my app store, I can actually I don't know, reverse audio game. I just gonna look like this for reverse audio game. Okay, so this is my application. Let me show you. this is my application on App Store. I will rerun and see if it's fixed it. So, and if I look in here, this is a dreidel game. This is a dreidel game that I published some time ago, last year actually, and App Store rejected it for several times, and the whole point of rejecting the application was that it's not quite unique. So it's not that, oh, you can, I remember we had applications that are clickers. You need to click on the egg for 1 million times, and if you arrive to 1 million, the eggshell is like cracking and you see something. And I believe that right now people on Apple, they're gonna block those kinds of applications because they would say that it's not bringing a lot of value. We can try. We can make the eggshell. Let me see if I'm gonna egg tapping up. Well, shake the million tamago. Oh right, it's actually here. It's there. What is in the egg? What's the secret? And you need to top it for 1 million times. But like, this is the stuff that they left in 2014. This is 2020, 2013. Like 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago, it was a case. Where can I see where? Okay, let's see. Better ways. Let me see. Can I see updates? When was the last update about this? Shake the million. What about apps? And 2026. Okay. Google Play. Maybe we can see update on July 3, 2025. Okay, guys, we're gonna do this. Knock the door. Open. I'm gonna do this application. That's all. I decided. That's a whole decision of stuff. If I'm gonna have 1 million click on one application and everybody gonna tap it, and I'm gonna have advertisement banner and random interstitial. This would be nice, but it's gonna be blocked. You cannot do it anymore. It's very interesting. Okay, so puzzle. So what is happening? The eggs. You're just exploring. You can explore Bitcoin inside of egg. Okay. What it says, whatever is about the game. So type or shake 1 million times what's inside. We are taking this. It's gonna be streamed online. How are we gonna do this application? I'm gonna 100,000. Okay, 100,000. We cannot know the downloads in here. 369 rating. It's quite good. So yeah, I mean, it's I don't know if that's something that's going to be accepted right now, but play funny stories. Well, okay, anyway, let's proceed with our idea with cat. We have so many ideas, so let me see. Now it should work. No, it's way too bad. It should freeze. Maybe it's too fast. Okay, try one more time. Restart. Oh. Okay, I tried and I die all the time. Try to extend that time for 2 seconds to give me opportunity to give a user an opportunity to survive, as I see that I'm not able to win the game, to survive even one freeze at all. And then we're gonna play with this because if this waiting time gonna be always the same, it's like very easy to lose. So we will not allow this to happen. We're gonna make it more complicated. So, and I cannot hear any kind of sound. Do you know why? Are you... What freeze? What freeze? This should work only if I comb. So many bugs. Oh. So where is it? No. Not good. Not good at all. Not good, not good. Let me put my headphones somewhere. Alright, what we're gonna do now? So, you're gonna change it. Let's try again. Also on free sounds, I need to find a sound of brushing or scratching. No. Scratch. Let's see. This is probably going to be a good one sound. Oh no. It sounds more like fart. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. So is. I'm gonna put long scratch. All right. It's DJ scratch. No, I don't need. Long soft scratch. How to even... I'm gonna check it now. Let me go and see what we have. We need to also change that this games, like the game should be in action only if I... No, okay. Are we dying? Let's see. Let's see if I will be able to fix this stuff. And I have some, like, if you... Gaming is not easy. That's for sure what I understand. That it's normally looks a little bit like not official, not really very cool. But it's very hard to implement, I guess. Like, I guess chess and calculator applications I was doing faster than already this game. Let's see. I'm curious. I need to clean have my cleaning material somewhere far away. So I guess that people should download it, but I will see. And also no sound. Let me check again in the application in here. Do I have sound in settings? No. No, there is no sound at all. So what was wrong, what was fixed? Let's go. Let's gonna see if you really fixed it. Silent Spectre, yo, was good. Hello, I hope you were good. Hello, hello. You mean the cat, right? It was quite scary, but I want to make a sound and also the whole logic, right? So look, I'm picking up a comb. Brushing, brushing, brushing. Now it's going to be freeze at some moment. Ah, it was very fast. Okay. This is better. What do we have? Let's see. So what was wrong? Touch handler resets on free. Okay, but freeze now pulls every 50 milliseconds for 20 seconds. But now you need to randomize the freeze state for a cat from, let's say, a Silent Spectre. I probably remember you, but I don't remember like a lot. Sounds familiar. I hope I remember you. I don't remember you. Maybe I just remember your nickname. Please remind me. And don't be mad because it's hard sometimes to remember everyone. Like I don't see faces and I'm sorry. So this is better, but now you need to randomize freeze state for a cat from, let's say, so what it says, freeze now pulse every 50 milliseconds for 2 seconds. I don't even know how to understand it. Lift your finger, pet does back to normally immediately. No need to wait for 2 seconds. He didn't understand me what I wanted to say, so wait, let me try again. No. Okay. Not sure if you understand me. Lupin, hello, hello, properly. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Review the logic of this again. And we need to, how are you, Lupin? And we need to, the time you created the app, guess the song. One was real, one was AI. That was my first time I entered your stream and chat. And I really need to say that this application was a total fail. Total fail. I really need to say that it's just crazy. So much effort for an application that literally was for nothing. I barely had like several downloads for this application. It's a big fail, really. So, not sure if you understand me properly. Review the logic of this again, and we need to do this logic. Now we're gonna write a lot. First, users open an app for the first time. He picks up the comb and start brushing the cat. We start to count the time of how long the user is brushing the cat for the first time. Meanwhile, the user it's really good. It's very hot right now in Spain, and it's the summer arrived super early. I don't know if that's because now we need to wait for super cold winter, because this winter was very nice, I need to say. And well, let's see. Sorry to hear. No sorries. I mean, it's just really, I think it's really great, like to try out. I'm not sorry about this. It's nice to try out. For me, it's like an experience, so I feel very good. So let's see. We start to count the time on how long the user is brushing the cat for the first time. Meanwhile, the user is brushing from the second 3 to second, let's say 6. or 7, we need to show the freeze state and turned head of the cat. I need probably to save this because if this application is going to work good, I would need to implement the same for iOS. So, Silent Spectre, how is your applications going? Are you doing? I think if I remember right, you were doing something also. Time to devour ice creams and in this weather, yeah. Already had mine today, so it was very nice. Okay, we need to show the freeze states and turned head of a cat, and this freeze state should last for 3 seconds. Now, only the first time user is seeing it. Oh well, I'm gonna say for 2 seconds. And if during these 2 seconds user is still touching, I need to copy this, the screen, or if he is still combing, we need to show where's the cat and the state turned head of the cat with sound. And if you say we need to show the cat image animation and tiger sound that will follow up with the died screen. After that, if user click restart, we start the same game again, but the logic is going to be, but the timing of the logic is going to be slightly different. We need to, so how it was, user start to comb the cat. They eating the cats, they eating the dogs. User starts to comb the cat, and after he is combing from 3 seconds to, let's say, 15 seconds, we will randomly during this period of time showing a freeze screen, and this time second freeze screen, and okay, this is the user turn to comb the cat for the second time. This second time and all other times. And the second freeze, and this, the second freeze screen should be shown on the screen from, how we say it, from 2 seconds to 5 to say 7. No, okay, not too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. 6, 7. Oh, teenagers drive crazy. And this, and the second freeze and all others should be shown, not screen but state. Hard to describe such a silly game. Should be shown on the screen from 2 seconds to 7 seconds. And if user touches the screen, or if user touches the screen, or actually I'm gonna say to 10 seconds, actually 2 to 20 seconds, it's gonna be funnier, no? And if user touches the screen or comb the cat, we show died screen again. I'm gonna copy it. Please change the logic accordingly. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. So hard. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Such a easy logic. And to make the logic for AI or not AI, it was easier to do rather than the cat that is turning, which is crazy. Alright. So what do I have here? Oh, I didn't die. Nice. But I still was moving the comb. It's very weird. I don't know if it's gonna work. I guess I'm gonna now. Wow, wow, wow! Where is my cat? I had here. If you only would see my Figma, it is crazy. So I need to find a cat game in here. I mean, in here, I need to find my cat game because I keep everything in one. Everything in one. Oh, where is it? It's definitely here. Maybe this? No. What have I done? We are gonna find it. I know it. Here we go. These are my cat art. We're gonna do some more stuff like adding different combs or putting the bow. Let me put it in here. All right. So what it is, the freeze logic now based on how long the player has been brushing, not random wall clock timers. Here's what changed. While the comb, okay, first play. While the comb is on the cat, cumulative brush time is counted. Once the time reaches a random point between 3 to 7 seconds, freeze appears. Freeze is exactly 2 seconds, dragging the block during the freeze. At the end of those 2 seconds, if the film is still on screen or comb is still on the cat, chomp animation, tiger sound, you died. If the player let go in time, cat returns to the normal, brushing can continue. Macaron, hello, how is your diet? Diet, or it was not diet, it was more gym stuff? How is it going? How are you? Yesterday I was in the gym and I did very hard exercises. I'm proud of myself, and no Ozempic. After restarting every round after, same cumulative brush, timer, pauses were not brushing. Freeze triggers at a random moment between 3 to 15 seconds of brushing. Freezes last random to 20 seconds, same as rule. Okay, should be working fine. I guess I explained it good. Well, not great lately. Why not? Okay, let's see. I stopped. Okay. No. Hope it's gonna show. Oh, is it 20 seconds or something? Hey, how long am I gonna do it? Come on, it was have been already 20 seconds. Where are my logs? Okay. I got laid off my work because I don't have budget, and now struggling. Sorry to hear it too. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Really, um, I'm so sorry. We just recently discussed about the job. It was a botanical garden. I'm not gonna follow them. And yeah, I don't know. It's too bad. You are looking for a new one now, I assume, right? I'm really sorry. Okay, they say that there are some issues that was happening, so let's see. So I'm touching now and I'm not dying. Are we crash or what? Oh no, it got released. But I guess in the freeze state I cannot like move the brush. Commit the changes. I think that during the freeze state I can't move the brush or touch the screen. I'm okay, I'm disappointed to them because I've made so many stuff to improve. I'm really sorry. Yeah, this is very sad. What did you do? You like the design wise? Did they tell this is because of the budget or this is because of like AI influence or stuff? Yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't want to say, like this very obvious, typical stuff like this is for better and you're gonna find something and it's gonna be good. I do think that you're gonna and it's for better, but it's just like I know that it must be very hard to like the moment. So I'm just finding something. I just hate job market 2026. I don't know I don't really trust them because I have seen they use AI and give example. Sorry, I'm not sure if I understand. What do you mean? You mean that you gave to them your example of artwork and then they just feed it to AI and AI just like change them? That's basically, well, it's very weird. Like what they do? Isn't it? It's like easier already generate stuff with AI, but to feed them with like what? And I don't understand. It's a bit weird, really. Like, okay, let's try it again. So we are combing, brush, 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 brush. So, no. Wait, did I restart? Did I relaunch the game? I don't remember. Okay, it's not fixed. Oh, no. Okay, so anyway, meanwhile it's fixing its stuff. I don't really think they really feed them more communication with me because I really often didn't understand while my other coworker literally translated person explained what they actually mean. They spoke not your native language. Like, you're from Latvia, no? Or maybe I forgot, I don't know. I'm sorry if I mistaken. Okay, let's see. So I'm waiting. Oh, great. I know what I need to do. We need to work more with sound, so let me put it in here. I need to make like tick tock sound when the cat is watching. It's very important. Wow, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. I don't think that I mean to say idea. It was my native, but my coworker also, who is artist and other work do, could explain better to me than the. You mean that your colleague could explain better the stuff what they wanted to you than the director? Well, I mean, the communication stuff and how we explain is one of big problems. Well, sometimes it's when the people are in a higher positions. It just considers that you need to understand them just like this, no, just like from the breathing. So maybe that's the case. I don't know. Okay, let me see. Tick tock. I'm gonna clock. Tick tock. Tick tock clock. Let's see. Fast. I need to like tick tock 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 tock. Tick tock tock tock. No, it should tuck 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 tuck. Oh, this one. Okay, fast clock. This is nice. This. this one or this or this. Such great sounds. Oh my god. Yeah, because the director explained very difficultly, not really direct. Yeah, I can imagine. But you're from Latvia, right? I can understand you. Well, just like it's upsetting. Yeah, sorry that I might forgot. Just thinking which TikTok I will need to use. Okay, we're gonna use this one and like start sound, like sound effect. Okay, we're gonna pick up this one. So I'm gonna say now. I mean, it wasn't nice how that whole situation was, but to be honest, I knew that because I heard her talking with someone about me. Oh my god. But you know, like, normally, I don't know how was this, but I really think that sometimes if it was already like this, then it's not like that is for sure for better, you know. That's what I mean. So it spoke about you with someone, what does it even mean? Like in a bad way she spoke with you? Sorry if I need to fix my mic. And I was like, if I do it with my shoulders it would be the best, you know. So now I will say let's work with sounds. First, I think I never hear the current sounds. Please fix it. You need to put sound. We need to put a sound which is this during to play during the freeze time, and also please add on the bottom left of the screen buttons to mute, unmute all the sounds in the game. Remember to put those sounds there so still, so that they will not be intersected with the Android bottom bar. Let's go. What we're gonna do next, I don't know if good way or bad, because was background noise. Which background? My background noise? What do you mean? Your background. When you heard them to speak, it was a background noise. Well, people say also, like, I mean, it's a job of directors also, to talk about their employees. So it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. But you also wanted to do something, no? Like, you were doing some stuff, like, not only like illustrations, I believe, and you, like, what is your plan now? That's my question. Okay, what I want to do next? I want to pick up. Now, please, when the cat turns its head, we play the sound, and you need to add this. Okay, this one I need to trim. Make it fast. And it's because it's not MP3, right? That's the problem. Okay, let's see. That's probably the problem with the format. I don't. Yeah, but lately I don't know if I'm even talented. And worse that, how you can say this? If you had the whole education in the field, it means that for a very long time you already lasted in there, and you had all of the people around you to tell you feedback. This is first stuff. Second stuff, I don't think that there is such case as like something that you cannot develop. So I'm pretty much sure you developed. Also, I saw your art last time that you showed me about the botanical garden, which was super nice. Also, I remember you did the coffee stuff, which was very nice. And I mean, I don't know any artist who was not doubting himself or herself. So this one, I cannot agree. Okay, let's see. It's working. Oh, yeah, it's working. Again. Okay, no, it's good, it's working. And now we need to add a click sound. We're gonna do it now. It's ready, and video montage is super nice and cool. I think it's very nice to do it. So, okay, we're gonna do like click. Mouse click, let's take a look. Perfect. Alright. Now for any button click, use this sound. Which sound is this? It is this one. We need to commit everything what we did right now. What a game. Oh my god. Yes, so now I can open Figma. Here, this is something that I don't need. I'm gonna keep it. So probably we need to have this. We need to have this. Just need to have it smaller. Is it done? Okay, let's restart it. Comment the changes. Set the sound button as a sound on off, sounds on off buttons on the white background, and set the drop shadow with blur and opacity 50% from the button. Okay. Let's see again. We need the brushing sound, which was hard to find. That's all? How long are we gonna wait? Yeah. Huh? Okay. Ah? No, I didn't die. I thought that I would need to be dead if I move it. I need to... That's not working. I'm never... Okay. Okay. There's still bugs. What are you working on? So I am doing that viral game right now that got super popular about brush your cat. Pretty much not a big intellectual game. You just need to get a comb and brush your cat and stop brushing when the cat is looking at you. and there are moments that if you will still keep brushing that you're gonna die. But you see that I have bugs, so so you see, like now if I click, I move. So let's see, like there is an issue that during the, I don't know, sketching. Hello, what a cute game. Hello, sketching. Very, very welcome here. How are you? Very nice to meet you. Cute game, yeah. Now we're gonna make it even better. Probably I'm gonna look for some other type of cats or other cats. So there, but firstly, bug fixes, like as usually. That's number one. What I need to do. So there is an issue that during the freeze time, if user is moving a comb at any moment, we need to show died screen with that sound and get animation. I'm also vibe coding my own game right now, so I was looking to see if anyone was streaming theirs too. Are you streaming yours? Which sorry, I lost my flip-flop. It's kind of like uncomfortable when you sit and work only with one flip-flop. I like two flip-flops. So which game is it about? You do with what? With Unity? What are you working? How you monetize? How you work with AI? How much you trust AI? Tell everything. It's very interesting. Today I was saying, if you already have some experience in applications and mobile applications upload, I can only repeat, maintenance harder than development right now. Following all the rules, uploading all of the images, content, policies, tax declarations, advertising, la 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 la. Please use black sim. Oh no, I'm not. Actually, I switched it back. No. Okay, let's see. Did it work or not? We had a bug in here. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it's not working good because it should give me at least. Okay, I never even saw a freeze, right? We should see the freeze. No, okay. No, no. Now it's worse. You are not even showing the freeze moment anymore. Just set it the freeze. We have a commit, so I can already put back the commit, but I don't. I will just try it out like this. So this is the freeze logic and timing as it was, but just after like 1 second of freeze is active. If user moves the comb, we should show died. I don't really have much experience in coding and marketing and all that, but I'm an artist by trade, been making an AI chatbot app. This is very interesting. It's amazing actually for artists. I guess actually macarons maybe it's also something that maybe cheer you up in a way. I do think that artists are gonna be way more in need right now, like way more, because like this is the art that I did, and I don't have like the more I need to code, the more and I consider myself like an artist. Okay, I think I can draw very beautiful, design very beautiful, and with time, with so how much I need to code, how much I need to like create the logic, all the advertisements, all the like subscriptions, like you tracking. Like I implemented for, I was very happy recently because in total the one of the games that I posted got 20,000. I got 20,000 downloads, and I was like, wow, well, great. Now I got 20,000 downloads, so it's time for me to implement tracking. So now you need to implement tracking, and you need to count how much money you're going to consume, because you know, like you don't normally any like Firebase, for example, you cannot just use it forever, right? And it's like, what you think the last in all of this mess is design, but design is actually what users are attracted to. So for me, it became like a super huge problem. Like no one wants to invest in this, and eventually everything is screwed by the ugly stuff. It's good for artists because I can let AI do all the coding. Well, that's what I say. It's amazing, but how you maintain, how you do all the maintenance, how you do all this stuff. Show some stuff that you do. Let me see. Do I even have Discord still? Is it working like this? My shortcuts are broken. Before it was working, and it's what happened? Okay. Discord. I used to have a Discord. Open Discord. Let's go. It should be fixed. Oh my god, yes, it's actually. What do we have? There is. What? April 26. Okay, I need to report some stuff. Immediately, oh my god. Probably. I don't know. We have general. Kristafa joined, Revix joined, Mystery joined. It's all in March, and it's like, oh my god. And I have my very old picture in there in Discord. Okay, how can I invite you to my channel? Invites. Create one. Or send the invite link. Okay guys, I'm sending you invite link to sketching. Join also, okay guys, on YouTube who is watching. This is, you join and check, and you're gonna see, probably you will like it. Like, I'm not like, maybe I need to open a Telegram channel or something. I mean, like, I'm not checking Discord. I'm in Discord only during the streams. That's all. All right, so let's try out the game. Brush, 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 brush. And if I move, yes, great. Restart. It worked now. Oh, another cat is here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's cat. Okay, this is my cat. I'm gonna move. I have here, guys, like a little off topic. I have the home diffuser with tomato smell. Home diffuser with tomato smell. Oh my god, this is just amazing. It literally smells with tomato. So I need to remove it because my cat is jumping on the wardrobe next to my table and I need to keep my stuff safe. So I'm removing it. Okay, let's see. Brush, brush, brush. Great. Now I will continue brushing even if I'm gonna have like frizz. Perfect. I think it's actually working then a couple of times. I really like it. I really like it. I need to put Xena, like my Xena, in there. No? Amazing. Commit the changes. All right. So, what do we have now? We have I need to find a comb sound. It's like scratch or I'm gonna say scratch. Hair and scalp. Okay, maybe broom. Ah, broom. Oh, this is exactly what I need. Ah, perfect. All right. This. Okay. I'm gonna take this one. Or not, maybe we need to find another one. Maybe this is the best. Okay. So now I need to still open with QuickTime Player. So this one, and I need to. Oh my god! Just a second, my cat just jumped from the table. Just a second. I meant not the table, but my cat jumped out from the wardrobe because her food arrived, and she literally just jumped from like 180 wardrobe height to the floor, which is crazy. I don't know. Okay, I wanted to trim this one. So let's say we have edit trim. So we need just one like swoosh swoosh. Where what are we crashed? What? Open with QuickTime Player. Ah, okay, yeah, you really crashed. So we need to trim. So what do we have? Okay, I like the second one more. I'm gonna move it like this. Trim. Swoosh one. And we're actually gonna trim second one. Open with again. This. It's gonna be swoosh 2. All right. All perfect. But now you need to add a sound for the comb itself. Here are the sounds. I'm gonna pass these two sounds. Here are the sounds, and please play them all the time when comb is moving from the top to bottom, but not from bottom to the top, like to simulate the real cat combing. Let's see. So I think it's just amazing. And just like how my cat jumped, it's crazy. I don't even know what to think. She just like she thinks it. Well, the only stuff I made recently was one small 1-minute animation. How owners looks like their pet. Oh, it would be so nice to see. If you want to share, I would be very happy to see. Do I look like my cat? Am I looking like Xena? It's like it would be a very big compliment, to say the truth. Like, wow. Xena. She's now gonna come back here to jump on her wardrobe. This is just crazy how she jumps. Xena, you okay? Come here. Xena. She's gonna break something. I don't know. Xena. Crazy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, she wants to jump. Here we go. I'm sorry, I cannot laugh. Stop laughing because of my cat. It's just amazing. Okay, let's see if the swooshing sound is working, and then we're gonna commit, and then we're gonna do a couple of more features. Okay. What happened with my camera? Perfect. Oh yes, it's very nice. Okay, I know what I need to do, but it's working all. Commit the change. How long are we waiting for, how to even say it, like in between the freeze starts and when we start tracking whether the comb is moving or not. How long we wait. Let's see. First risk cut thread sounds play. First second comb movement is allowed, no dash for moving. In the start of the freeze, can you please make a grace period vary from 0.4 seconds to 1 second, please. Just make it randomly and only first freeze after first install. Make with grace period always 1 second. Okay, meanwhile I'm gonna go to my Figma. I'm gonna do this. All right. So now this one we need to export this like PNG. I'm gonna call it comb 3, and this is gonna be like a cute bow. All right, now we're gonna do the next stuff, just like a cute addition. Add an image, comb 3 PNG, and add it to the bottom right bar as a tool. So if user wants, he can select this comb instead of the one that we have now. And so once he select this one, then the one that was selected before should be in the okay. Add an inventory little box in the bottom right corner, but remember not to cover the native Android buttons with it. Add an image comp 3 and add it to the bottom right as bar. And neck. Add cute bow PNG to the project and allocate it to the inventory and make so that user can place it on the image in any place, and if user wants to remove it, he needs to long press it, and we show X button on the image. Once user press X, we set back the bow to inventory. When bow is on the cat, in the inventory we show just 30% image of transparency image, or even 20% of bow, showing that it's not in inventory. Let's go. Let's see if that's gonna work. It would be funny stuff. It's not gonna be lunch now. Yes, of course. Does it work in this one? What? I die all the time? Can you believe it? So I need to change something. Ay, ay, ay. Well. Oh no. Okay, this is working. Okay. Is it like that? I have it. No, it's on transparent. Okay. And there is something that I don't like the logic still. I'm not touching anything now. If I lose now, it's gonna be bug. No. Okay. And there should be sound. Okay. Okay. The sound of the swooshing needs to be fixed. Never stop any sound that is playing with force. I mean that one sound let play fully and don't cue another sound of swoosh after. Just after one swoosh play another, but don't stop them. Good. We need to change the broom location in the very beginning of the game. I don't like the inclination of comp 3. It should be... Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Gonna make it like this. Okay, this one goes in here. This one we make larger, this one we rotate. Okay, and here, I'm just gonna change the comp 3. Your work is making apps? Sorry, I was curious. I am an engineering manager, but I work like all my life. I'm not directly doing right now. I used to work a lot in automation. Okay, let's see, refactor, overwrite, perfect. Add, and well, I've worked in software all my life. In a way, yes. In a way, making apps, it's what I do. Yes. So, okay, this with inclination. Okay, great. Commit the changes. Also, please, the comb from inventory and also a bow make possible not to select it only by click, but also I should be able to drag and drop. So the comb, once I drag and drop out of inventory, we automatically place the another comb to inventory and the location of default. I think it's today, amazing progress. I think, wow. It's really cool what we did. Right, let's put a bow. Oh no. Great. Okay, the swooshing sound should be improved. Oh no, let me see if it's working. Swooshing sound still needs to have some improvement. Basically, for one movement of the comb from the top to the bottom is one swoosh. No need to play several. And only once the comb was set a bit upper, and then how do you compare what you're using now with Claude? Oh, I can tell you what I think about it. Use of AI for making apps has been blowing my mind. It's opened so many doors for me as an artist. That's exactly great, and I think it's just amazing. I think it's just amazing. Well, it's the first time I see some artist who's actually openly saying that AI opened a door to an artist. This is like really, really cool. And only once the comb was set a bit upper and then is moving again down, we play another swoosh, like one swoosh per one comb movement down. How Claude, I can work a lot with the AI, and the situation that I face myself is that I don't really like the prices of Claude, and I also don't like the fact that if you work for a very long time, it's gonna block you, because I can work for, and I would like to work for a very long time. Also, the usage of tokens, you need to be extremely careful about it, and I understand about the usage of tokens like a skill that everybody would need to develop. I mean, not the skill of Claude. I'm talking about the human skill that we need to develop to organize ourselves, to set up skills, to set up all the stuff that we would use properly the Claude in the most possible economic way. And I'm not ready to do it. I had a problem with some bug fixes. I tried, but they eventually they might use similar models of AI or not. So I don't do anything like super complicated to like to have a need in Claude. But I believe that Claude like would be able to solve more complex stuff for me rather than Cursor. Might be wrong. And for those reasons, I decided to use Cursor. And there is another part, right, that the whole block of another version of Claude, of Anthropic, that we had, of AI, that it's very interesting. So that what happened just today, right? So my only, like the fable, my only conclusion is probably Claude is more powerful, but maybe eventually I'm gonna be back. I tried it, but for my way how I developed it all, Cursor is like, also you have interface. If you need to change stuff in the code, is already something you. Sorry if you answered me. I just got back from ads. Lol. Oh yes, I did. I just finished the answer. No, I was saying that there are three parts. The first one is the prices. The second one is that I want to work for a very long time, and if you don't want to pay a lot, the Claude would give you a limit. Like Claude would tell you, like, you cannot work for more than this, and you need to wait for tomorrow to reset your limit, and also the limit of tokens, which is like with the way how I want to work in my free time. I just want to use it as much as I can. And I know that I have limitation in Claude. If I'm out of all my possible available stuff, I'm just gonna use auto, and I can still generate easy stuff, right? But as I was saying, that this fable and anthropic blockade in states and out of states lately, and the power that the whole AI is bringing, right? It's make me consider that probably Claude is more powerful. Yes, exactly. That you heard that the Claude is more powerful. However, I had you probably, I don't know, you for sure you haven't seen it, but I had the screen monitor screen monitor application, and I had some bugs. So some issues Claude was able to fix for me way faster, but also I faced a couple of times that Claude was not able to, like with closed eyes, to do something that Cursor did. But I mean, both of them can reuse same AI models. I've been playing the Max subscription for Claude. It's very expensive. It's very, and also, as I say, we need to, like, for Claude, it's like a super trending top right now with in software developments. It's just you need to be super careful with the tokens, right? And you need to develop a skill, again I repeat, not the skills of Claude, but your human skill. You need to develop how to behave, how to configure, how to do all the stuff inside your projects, so inside Claude, so you will use the possible minimum amount of tokens. And this is probably something that is a very already ethical question, environment ethical, and the money ethical. So for me, with all my needs, I rather put myself in auto on Cursor and just keep doing, because I'm that person that I had to stop. I don't like to stop, and I just need to keep working on stuff. So what do you use for your applications, or which doors for you as an artist AI unlocked to you? As you say that AI unlocked a lot of doors for you. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Eh? Okay. Wait. This fix. So where is it? If I rerun it, it's probably I've always just been the production artist in animation and some development work, but coding has always been my limitation. I can make images and 3D scenes, but I couldn't really take them any further. What do you think 3D is gonna be? How 3D is currently already impacted by AI? I always ask this question. I have no anyone ever who joined my streams was ever be like able to answer my question about 3D influence and AI. It's just like I have no idea why 3D and AI are just this topic is silent. What about the augmented reality? Augmented reality that was discussed such a long time, like in 2018, 19, maybe 17, 16. So I have so many ideas that I wanted to do for apps, but never got started because I didn't know how, and it'll take me forever to learn coding. But with Claude, the issues has kind of gone away. And you publish the application or not? Do you have anything? Show us. I will give you 5 stars if it's like there's nothing aggressive in your application. Share what you do. It's super interesting. Take forever to learn coding. I do believe that you can learn coding with AI way faster also. And it's just like, I agree, it moves you super, super, super fast. It's not going to overlap with inventory plum. If this is gonna work, this would be my last change for this game. Yeah, I already got like pain in my throat. With Claude, yeah, so you use Claude. Yeah, well, that's cool, but I'm curious what exactly like you do. How you're not facing these problems with sport maintenance and all of this stuff, and how you monetize. I want to know everything, everything. Like I'm openly sharing my struggles, and also like the like I'm clearly seeing that the restrictions are going to be harder for how you upload application, how much probably you will be able to upload applications, and all this stuff. Okay, this would be the final build. Actually, let me remove the headphones. I'm gonna put my sound like this. I'm gonna put it on the microphone and you're gonna see what is it doing. All right, I hope it's not gonna crash. So okay, now I'm gonna put a cute bow and select a new comp. Well, there is a bug. There is a bug, I need to fix it. But look, I'm so happy. I didn't stream online, but I also made an app of the funny noises. It's literally typical farting application. When you have a button, you can put a floating button on your screens and just fart when you want, or bark, or scream. I mean, sometimes I'm just like, enough of being too serious, okay? Let's see. Sound is off, working. Okay, great. It's a great job. It's amazing, amazing. Okay, commit the changes. I changed my mind, and the comb on inventory make to be able to oh my god, to change just by click. Click, no drag and drop, please. Let's see. So not yet, I'm still working on my first one. I started about 4 weeks ago, still going at it with 3D animation. That's what I work in. It's amazing. 3D and apps. Let me show you what I did. I used to do a lot of 3D. And you tell me, what do you think? It was something that I'm very proud of. This one, Paperonia Guzlik. Yeah, so I've actually managed to reproduce everything a 3D artist would need to do through AI. Are you using, is it a game or are you using Unity? The whole scene is going to change for sure. Artists will become more directors now, directing what the AI needs to change to make episodes. Yeah, I actually, like, look, I remember there were like two, like big, like two resistances. First one, of course, it was art list, or I don't remember the web page, but the whole band was this AI and it crossed. It was a big movement against AI. It was 2023. And also the whole development wave. Now I don't see it that much, but I'm very proud of myself, very, very happy with this. But on 2024, when I was already like, oh yeah, let's do it, let's go, I saw all my YouTube well, comments, everybody, all of the social media or developers that I knew and worked with, they were like, no, look, AI, like, oh, it's impossible, no vibe coding never gonna be like a solution, etc., etc. I don't want to go into these discussions as like super guru, etc. Yes, but come on, I agree with you. It's opened so many big doors to other people, to people who don't want to do it, who want to implement ideas. But now it's changing. Like now I see that everything is going into other direction. I used Blender. I was doing it. I used Blender. Well, deployment and monetizing, I have to figure it out and let cloud do a lot of heavy lifting. I agree. Yeah. But the plus in this that you can always also ask them. Hopefully, so far I'm using Supabase, Render, Cloudflare, and Flutter for everything I've done with the app right now. I think it's really well. Flutter for that you can do for both applications, right? Cloudflare, Render, Super. And what about Unity? I saw that Fall 3D Artist. It's Unity. Can you share on Discord, because I forbid to share, because actually maybe I need to like not forbid this, but the thing is that 5 years ago when I started to stream online, I realized that people share very like super bad stuff, so I just blog any URLs sharing. So this is it. Okay, let's see. Rerun, and we use Maya at work. Maya, yeah, I know Maya. I heard a lot about Maya. Actually, 3D, but what about 3D models generation? I saw some web pages like around 2 years ago, and you were already you already was able to like generate AI some basic models. Sorry, I already got tired, so I'm not okay. Amazing. Okay, let's put a ban. Pop. Bow, sorry. Yes. Great. So we're gonna commit the changes. I'm got so lazy that it's literally before, like 3 months ago, I would commit myself, I would push myself, but no, no. Oh yeah, I haven't touched 3D models yet. I tried last year and it was okay, but definitely not the best. I know it's totally improved now. I don't know. I know that like Figma did a lot of AI, but I don't have paid Figma, so I just have no idea what they do. But I guess it's super cool. I am very, very upset that Sora stopped existence, because for me it was so comfortable to use ChatGPT with Sora. What's wrong? Why my like why I'm not cut it properly? Because it was so like comfortable for me to use Sora and like with video. Like I do some applications and then I immediately generate videos, etc. So, but now it's like video generation for me. It's hard now. All right. So, what do we do next? Next step, probably on the very first install, I will do that you can select a type of the cat, and that's pretty much it. And now I gonna do a check to whom I can raid you, because it's time for me to finish. I've been using Comfy UI for images and videos, and it gives me full control. Oh no, thank you so much. Let me Comfy UI. I'm gonna Google it just right now. There are so many tools right now. Professional control of visual arts. Okay. It sounds so familiar to me. Wow, they can do super cool stuff. Is it like, where is the pricing? Do you have free? Oh no, but you pay for it. I want something. I'm not paying $20 per month for video generation because it's not. No, it's free local. Comfy Hub Gallery. What do you mean? I will look. I will look on it. So let me see to whom I'm gonna raid you. I'm gonna raid you to. Okay, let's shop. Day 17 of working on side projects. Perfect. I'm gonna raid you to some guy. Boolean. Okay, I'm gonna raid you to him. And you need a decent GPU. Yeah, I need to. Well, I see. Maybe I tried it. It's with diagrams and stuff. I think I tried it. I actually maybe I have it on my computer. Com UI. How it's written? Comfy. Let me see. No, I don't have it. Probably I did. Oh, but it sounded super familiar. Super familiar. All right. So I'm rating you guys to Boolean. Amazing cat. We're gonna see each other soon. Yes, it's not base diagram style. I'm in ads again. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna see you soon. I just don't wanna end the stream just on advertisement, but I guess that's what's gonna happen. So see you. Bye. And on YouTube also. I don't know how to rate on YouTube. I always say that I don't know.